Good evening, friends. Today we will talk about what United States of America can do to check the propaganda machinery of Communist Party of China, Chinese Communist Party, and that way they can check the soft power of the communist state, that is China. And recently, one good example we have seen by Facebook, Google, and Twitter, and they refused, the three tech giants, they refused to comply with the customer information request from Hong Kong authorities until and unless these companies will review the implications of the new Chinese security law to suppress the descent into territory of Hong Kong. And this is the first time actually we are seeing these Western companies, these companies of the liberal words, which are not they are not following the dictates of the Communist Party and the dictates of the Chinese regime, because Chinese regime has got a very bad habit of blackmailing companies, international giant companies, on name of the huge market which they are having. And we have seen recently how some of the companies followed the dictates of Communist Party of China. We have a few examples for you. And the international airlines, which included American, Delta, and United, they even changed their website so that Taipei isn't listed as being in Taiwan. You can understand, they want to operate for Taipei, that is Taiwan, but they don't want to see that, look that they are mentioning Taipei as being a part of Taiwan, because they don't want to lose the customers from China. This is how the system of China operates. Some time back we also see how the general manager of National Basketball Association, Houston Rockets, they apologized for a tweet where he mentioned about fight for freedom, stand with Hong Kong, because then again money works. China is having deep pockets and it try to use those deep pockets to influence people for its own propaganda machinery. Even a big giant of Germany like Mercedes-Benz, Benz bended. They bent in front of the Communist Party dictates what they did, and they apologized for using a quote of Dalai Lama on Instagram. And because they don't want to lose the Chinese market, they had to apologize. But now these three giants, Facebook, Twitter, and Google, they have shown their standing. And this can be a good example for American government to check Chinese dictates and the propaganda of the Chinese state, as well as the soft power of China. They can do it very easily by introducing a law, and definitely that bill will sail through very easily with bipartisan support in Congress as well as Senate. They can they can float a bill which states that any company which is operating on the soil of United States, let it be a US company or let it be a company from any other country, if it is following the dictates on wrong stuff, the immoral dictates, those dictates which is trying to oppose the liberal voices, which is trying to propagate the propaganda of the Communist Party, then those companies can't operate on the soil of United States, or they will be fined or they will be prosecuted for that. And definitely this bill will have the bipartisan support. And why I am saying that? Because most Americans, 91% Americans, according to a March Pew Research Center, reported that they agree that Beijing threatens American interest. So if such a bill is put, definitely it will have a bipartisan support, especially in the days of election. Both parties will support it, and then they can check the Chinese propaganda machinery, and we are seeing that countries have started opposing China. Today only Great Britain, they have they said that by 2027 no company should have Chinese Huawei machinery in their 5G component. Definitely the timeline is long, 2027, but this is how things operate, because they are already having so much machinery. They can't just replace in one go, but they have started the procedure of replacing. And one thing we must understand, that USSR, it failed not only due to Gorbachev. There were multiple reasons, and one big reason was the economic downfall of the USSR. And what happened? Definitely it became an industrial nation in the regime of Stalin. But when fourth industrial revolution was taking place, it was much behind America in the liberal Western world, and due to that its treasury got affected, and finally it made Gorbachev to do what he was doing, bringing reforms for economic purposes, because the treasury's condition was really dire, and they were not having money. And right now the world will undergo a new type of revolution vis-a-vis industries. It will be not the fourth, fourth revolution, industrial revolution phase is already passed. It will be fifth industrial revolution, that is the digital revolution. And before China can take lead into it, the world need to check the economic power of China. That way the dominance of China will reduce, and for that United States have to take leap. It has to restrict the companies, it has to restrict the functioning of companies via legislature, and it's the right time, because election time is there. No party will oppose if Trump puts such a bill, and it will become legislature within days, I think. So that's what our advice to Americans, and you guys share this video so that it reaches to the audience which matter, which can bring the change. And anything I will quote again, that my firm belief is that words have lot of power. They definitely reach the correct audience. It may take its own time, but it definitely reaches. And if you guys share it, if you guys send it to other people, it will reach faster. So I hope you guys will do it. Have a nice time. Take care of your health. Goodbye.